we made it. The whole lot was packed. Alpha Romeo, you want some smoke, son? You want some smoke? I'll give you some. You want some? Nah, I'm playing, man. Oh! Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's your man, WoahAccord, and in today's video, we're heading to Derek Productions meet. This East Coast Mustang tour. Right now, we're just waiting for the group to gather around. Got Mad Titan over there, and got some more Mustangs over here. One just pulled up, actually. But it's definitely going to be a POV, so we're definitely going to be cruising on the way there. Sheesh. I don't blame him. It's some RPM therapy. Alright guys, we freaking made it. Shoot, I don't know how we passed this. I guess we just rolled by and came back. Damn. Yeah, we're definitely gonna look at some of these cars. Man, look at all these foxes, bro. I'm going inside, man. I'm going back inside, which was plan one. Bro, it wasn't recording that whole time. Well, I'm in somebody's video, guys, just not this one. I'm about to just take this thing off, but we'll see how everybody rides and stuff. People may say the MT82s aren't good, but holy smokes, do they sound good. Okay, we gotta get on, damn. Oh. Send it! Hopefully there's nothing out here. I'm not even going to say the word. I already know what they want to do. I'm already knowing, and I'm liking it. Oh, 5-0. Everywhere. Boy just got lost in traffic. They lost in traffic locating. saw that 5-0 badge. Alright, goodbye. That was a good run though.
Now look at this. Madness, the magnet keeps attracting me. I try to run.